Hi, I'm Dev Purbia and welcome back to my channel Lost and Found. Navigating life made beautifully easy. So today I'm going to talk about three affirmations which have changed my life over last 6 months. So most of you who know me, I am big time into affirmation. I think I came across them in 2014 when I met this artist who was born on same day as me, and he suggested me to write affirmations in red ink. Yeah, so that is one thing which I follow. And second thing is to write affirmations in present tense always. And one more thing, I always write affirmations in happy space nowadays. Like I'm living that life already. Which are the three affirmations and how they came into my life? First one is related to love. So this affirmation came to me via this video whose thumbnail was very funny. It was very, what do you call it? Mm, Clickbait. Yeah, it was very clickbait. What I do is when I'm going on my bike somewhere, then YouTube is on play mode, and I ended up hearing this podcast while I was roaming around the city. It is basically I love myself the way I am, irrelevant of who loves me or not, and irrelevant of what I have or not. It resonated so well with me because I've been doing a lot of self love affirmations, but then what I realized is that a lot of times we kind of depend on someone else. So when we do that, our happiness or self love is subject to environment, and it can affect us. So this I resonated really well with this affirmation, and it has helped me quite a bit because yes, you see the self love and happiness on my channel already. It's funny how universe kind of reiterates things to you, because when I quit my job, which was about 15 years back, used to preach this philosophy to everyone that if you can't love yourself or if you're not happy yourself, then you can't make others happy. So this is what something I've followed always, but then sometimes universe sends the message in a different format again. The second affirmation, which is about career, is like this is a rich universe and there's plenty for everyone. So this affirmation I really relate to it because, as I've told in my previous videos, that if you're on social media, you can easily be affected by seeing others, that what they are doing, what they are working on, and why you are not probably doing those projects and stuff like that. And it's very funny that we always compare ourselves to neighbor, and there is a feeling of jealousy which is a very human nature, and it can pop up anytime. And to think of it, there could be a third person who could take that project away from you, and it doesn't bother so much compared to your neighbor taking it away, right? Like if your neighbor is getting a bigger car, you will be like, oh, this guy or girl got a new car. But you see a Jaguar on road, you will be like, oh, this is so cool, right? So the whole dynamic of feeling changes based on what who you are looking at. Okay, in this universe there is plenty for everyone. There is money, there is fame, everything is available to everyone. So when you start with that mindset that there is stuff for everyone, right? So then you don't really have any feeling of lack, and you are focused more on yourself. And yeah, this affirmation actually had come to me in 2014, and there's this author called Shakti Gawain, and I had purchased meditation, and it was part of that affirmation. The third one, which is related to money, yes, we all need money, and the way we deal with money can change our mindset and our approach to life. So, this affirmation again came from the same podcast. It is about like how you spend money is how you will receive money. So, this affirmation is whenever you are spending any money, you just say the magic words that go with love and grow with love. So this kind of changed my outlook towards money, because I have been liberal about spending, but at the same time I never really had this mindset. Like when you spend, sometimes there is a feeling that, oh, I'm spending so much, am I wasting money? When will I make that money, right? So this affirmation has kind of changed my mindset about it. This has made me much more relaxed about money as well, and I spend happily. Obviously, I'm also following minimalism, so I do conscious spending, but whatever I'm spending is spent happily, and this affirmation works like go with love and grow with love. And one of the affirmation, like this is a bonus, so I've followed this affirmation for the longest time, which is I am an unlimited being receiving from an unlimited source in an unlimited way. This universe is limitless, and we put limit on ourselves that how I will receive something, from where I will receive, and that is something I super believed in, and it has worked magically for me. Like there are months where I would be chilling, and yeah, freelance life is like that, and there are months when money just pours in and I live happily. So are there any affirmations that you follow religiously? So drop them in comment. And how do you do your affirmations? So I would love to hear about it. Yes, so this was about my affirmation journey in last 6 months, and it has changed me a lot. Thank you. And usual like, comment and subscribe.